Installing the AC power cable. Check that the two DC switches are off. Connect a ground cable to the PV side ground point. Crimp the OT terminal using hydraulic pliers. Open the maintenance compartment door. Keep the door open with the support bar. Remove the AC terminal cover and save it for later use. Remove the AC filter and save the screws for later use. Remove the cable gland. Secure the tube fitting to the enclosure using the nut provided with the tube. Route the AC output power cable through the tube conduit and then fittings. Move the AC power cable to the outside of the compartment and prepare OT terminals. Connect a ground cable to the PE point. Install the AC output power cable. AC output power cable. Connect the conduit and fittings of the tube. Check that the AC power cable is connected correctly and securely. Secure the conduit and fittings of the tube. Secure the AC filter using screws.